Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to use a drain machine, sewage machine, and auger machine, and drum machine. People call it differently, okay? And this is automatic feeder. And what you got, you should always leave this forward when running the machine. And you got your on and off, which is actually air. Alright, you step on it, move. What you want to do, first thing what you want to do, you want to loosen this up. Alright, and then you want to yank it out, loosen it out. And then you want to yank it out as far as the unclog. Okay? Say for example, it's clock right there. What you always want to do is, then you want to tighten it back up. And you want to push this forward. And then all you're doing is put your hand on right here so you can guide it. So it won't just keep going forward longer and longer. Okay? And if you want to retrieve it, this is still on forward. If you want to retrieve it, all you need to do is put on reverse. Just put this back here, but the machine is still spinning forward. Okay? How you retrieve it. Okay? Push it forward. Push it forward. Go forward. Alright? All you do is adjustment over here. Go off or forward. And then or to go back, F to go forward. Alright? See? It will automatic feed. Let's go. The only time that you use a reverse over here, the only time that you change this to a reverse, if you cannot retrieve it by going all over here, you cannot retrieve this line, then you adjust that to reverse. Or else it will break the line. If you just leave it on reverse and just spinning on reverse, it will eventually break the line. Okay? So just keep this on forward. And to use it, just put an all here, go F forward. As you can see, it's going in. And if I put on F, it's going out.